Okay, for those of you who missed class this week, here is a brief overview of our next prompt. We are going to do a compare and contrast essay next. So let's look at the prompt together. In this prompt, you are going to write a 600 to 800 word, 5-paragraph essay, and you get to choose what your topic is. So you can either pick, discuss 3 similarities and or differences between Penelope, the wife of Odysseus, from our last story, and the Sherazad, the wife of Shahryar, from our current story. So you could do that, talk about 3 ways how they're similar and or different. Or you could talk about Grimm's, the similarities and or differences between Grimm's Cinderella and Macaughrean's Tale of the Anklet. So I have provided both of those documents for you in Blackboard in case you got a different version of 1001 Arabian Nights. And then we, in class this week, we read Cinderella and we read Tale of the Anklet, and we kind of talked about them already. So that's what you're going to do. I will go into more of this organization in class next week. And then next week in Blackboard, I will post my outline so that you can see it. We are going to post this essay in Turnitin. We're going to type it and then post it there. So I'll give you more instruction about that coming up. But there is the next essay. And if you missed class this week, you also missed in class, we did most of our brainstorming for this essay. So we went through this organization tool. It's in Blackboard. You'll put the features or attributes of the story here. Both stories, that both women are smart or cunning, right? And talk about where you see that in Penelope, where you see that in Sherazad, right? And then on the back, because we did all of the pre-writing for both essays. This one, you have features and attributes. So one of them that we talked about was the wicked stepsisters, or wicked sisters. Over here, they're really half-sisters. Over here, they're stepsisters. We talked about what they did, what they looked like, all of that there. And then we'll kind of use this to build our thesis next week. So if you missed class this week, you'll want to come prepared with a completed pre-writing so that you can dive right into the outline next week.